Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple recipe, turkey and rice soup. Since I still have some leftover turkey, if you also have some left or you have some leftover rotisserie chicken, please try this simple recipe. Turkey in Chinese, 火鸡. Let me show you the ingredients. Here's my turkey leftover. White meat and dark meat, and I also have some spinach leaves and chopped green onions, piece of ginger, and about 1 cup of leftover rice. So we use all the leftover. We don't want them to go to waste. And first we just hand tear the turkey meat into bite size. As I said, you can also use the rotisserie chicken. That's all our turkey meat. Now we're ready to cook. First we'll heat up the pot to high. And I'm gonna add about 4 cups chicken stock. This is a no sodium chicken stock. It's about about 4 cups. And we add white part of green onions. And I'm going to grate some ginger. So we're going to bring this to boil. Now my chicken stock is boiling. I'm gonna add the turkey meat. Followed by our rice. Stir together. And when it boils again, we're going to turn to medium and cook about 5 minutes. It's actually a matter of heating them up, right? It's all cooked. Turkey and rice. Now our soup is boiling again. I'm going to just add some black pepper. Goes well with turkey. And then just turn to medium and let this cook about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, our soup almost ready. Now let's add our spinach. Give it a stir. Then we garnish with green onions. I'll finish with more black pepper. You can add it to your own taste. Simple like that. Our turkey and rice soup is ready. Let's have a close-up of our soup. Warming, hearty. So simple, right? Isn't it? Yeah, I didn't add salt because chicken stock already has salt, but you can always add salt to your taste. I'm ready to try. Cheers. Perfect. Turkey and rice goes perfectly together. Seasoning is perfect. So hearty, warming, simple. It has some ginger taste there. Please leave me a message below. Let me know how you're going to use your leftover turkey or chicken. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.